ex-housemates, Gen 11, Top 13, Most Followed, on Instagram. Nangunguna, ang ating e-girl, ang big winner, ng taong bayan. Number 1. Fiang Smith, with 2.5 million followers. Number 2. Jeren Garcia, with 1.7 million followers. Number 3. JM Ibarra, with 1.2 million followers. Number 4. Kay Montinola, with 1.1 million followers. Number 5. JP Cabrera, with 919k followers. Number 6. Jasmine Helen, with 783k followers. Number 7. Binsoy Namoka, with 730k followers. Number 8. Patrick Ramirez, with 685k followers. Number 9. Rain Selmar, with 645k followers. Number 10. Dylan Turld, with 621k followers. Number 11. Therese Villamor, with 601k followers. Number 12. Dingdong Behan, with 596k followers. Number 13. Colette Madelo, with 457k followers. Sila ngayon, ang pinakamaraming followers sa IG account. Ibig sabihin yan, marami ang nakaabang, at nakasuporta sa mga ganap, ng ex-housemates, Gen 11, ni Kuya.